Hi guys, and welcome to get another excited video tutorials. First of all, note that 9 colors, width 2700 and height 1500 pixels, create rectangle. Add gradient pickup color code 1, 2, and 3. Click Radial Gradient. Type any text as you want. Text size 575 point. Select Font. Fill off. Appearance. If you don't show that, then go to Window. Appearance. Add new fill. Add Warp Arc Effect. Bend 7%. Stroke none. Fill 1 pickup white color. Add inner glow. Opacity 58%. Blur 48 pixels. Multiply. Opacity, multiply. Fill 1 copy. Fill 2, add gradient pickup color code 5 and 1. Inner glow delete. Opacity normal. Fill 3 pickup color code 6 and 5. Add transform effect vertical 1 pixels. Copies 20. Add drop shadow. Mode multiply. Opacity 50%. X offset 13 pixels and I 21 pixels. Blur 5 pixels. Pickup color dark red. Fill 4 pickup color code 7 and 8. Add offset path 49 pixels. Change transform effect vertical 20 pixels. Copies 0. Fill 5 pickup color code 5, 1 and 4. Add new offset path 10 pixels. Fill 6 pickup color code 9. Offset path same. Add new transform effect vertical 1.5 pixels. Copies 30. Add drop shadow value available in my description. Fill 7 offset path same. Change drop shadow value available in my description. Thanks for watching this video. If you like that tutorial, then subscribe, like and share.